So the back is gonna be a little harder because the back is where all the wow, the ass be, okay?
Ha, yeah, turn me up, yeah, go.
Hey y'all, so today I am doing a DIY. If y'all haven't already seen them on Instagram, they're all over Instagram and Pinterest, but the blanket pants that's been going around is like the new trend now. I'm gonna put all this pictures right here. But that's what I'm doing today. They look easy to make and I already know how to sew, so I just wasn't really worried about that. But that's what I'm doing. Also, if you're new here or you haven't seen me in a while, obviously you can see that I have a blonde wig in, and I was gonna upload a install, but I was looking a mess, and I just couldn't do that. I was looking a whole mess. I was looking beat up. So if y'all want me to film another wig install for like a different wig or this wig, like the video and comment if you want me to do that. New wig or this wig, you gotta tell me which one you want me to do. So yeah, also like, comment, subscribe, period, regardless, like period, you know what I'm saying? And not even if you want to see the wig install, but just period. So yeah, anyways, so this is the blanket that I'm gonna be doing today. It was a whole bunch of like options to choose from, but so it's kind of hard to choose, but I did remember I said that I wanted some camo pants, and this is pretty much camouflage, so it's pretty long. And then it has like this colorful like fringe on the side. Come on now, focus for me. There you go. It has this colorful fringe on the side, and then it has this black fringe. So like, I really don't know which fringe I'm gonna end up using because this one is longer. Like the colorful one is longer, but this one seems like it'll go better with the design. So I don't know, that's just something I'm gonna have to figure out as I go. So that's what I'm gonna be doing, and yeah, so let's get right into it. Can y'all see me? Yes. Okay, so let my toes out the way. But I found where I want to cut my first piece. I'm gonna cut around like an inch for like seam allowance and stuff like that. I chose to do the black because it's gonna be easier to put like shoes and stuff with. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and cut this out right now. Okay, so the first piece is done, and I cut off the, you can't really see, but let me just, I cut off the colorful part down there because I just don't want that on my pants. And if you're wondering, the pants that I used are some old work pants that I had. I didn't have any like loose fitting jeans, and these are the only loose fitting pants that I had, and I like the way that they fit, so I just used those for reference. But since I have my front piece done, I'm gonna go ahead and fold them to the back so that the back is now, you know what I'm saying, facing. And I'm gonna fix that up a little bit. So the back is gonna be a little harder because the back is where all the wow, the ass be, okay? So it's a little big back there, you know what I'm saying? So it's gonna be a little harder to do that, but this is about it. Before I do the back, I'm gonna lay these over somewhere else because I need to go ahead and do the other front piece for these. So I'm about to do it on the other side. I'm not gonna film that because I don't feel like moving the camera, but yeah, I'm finna go ahead and do that now. Okay, so I have finished. Okay, so yeah, so I finished cutting my front two pieces. This is how they're looking. So now I'm gonna do my back pieces. So I'm gonna lay these over here, and now I'm gonna do my back pieces. Okay, so alright, so I found the piece of blanket that I want to cut my back piece out of. So I'm gonna go ahead and fold them again because I messed it up. So here's my back piece, and I'm gonna leave out, you can't see, but the colorful fringes over here, so I'm gonna leave that out. And I'm gonna go ahead and cut this piece out and then do the same for the other side.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. 'Cause the love you give can't be replaced. See, no one else let me like you do. That's why I don't mind to spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a...
Okay, so I have both back pieces and front pieces cut out. Now I'm going to sew them. Okay, y'all don't need to see my knees, but okay, so now this is the scrap fabric on me. Right now I'm going to line them up front side facing each other, the back pieces and the front pieces, and I'm going to pin this middle crotch section, and then I'm gonna sew that for both pieces. Okay, so now I'm gonna sew both parts right here with a zigzag stitch. Okay, so I went ahead and did a zigzag stitch. You can't really see it because I did it in black. Is it gonna focus? Yeah, you might be able to see it a little bit, but I did a zigzag stitch on both pieces of the pants. Right. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lay them facing each other. This is the front piece, lay the front piece out. The back piece facing it, and I'm gonna pin all this. I'm gonna pin all this and then sew it down. Okay, so now I have the where's it? So now I have the top part sewn to the bottom part. So now they are connected at the crotch. See the top and the bottom connected at the crotch. So now that I flipped them inside out, this is how they're starting to look. They're starting to look so cute, guys. Okay, so now I'm gonna line up the ends by the fringe, and I'm gonna sew all the way. Y'all can see that. I'm gonna sew all the way down here. Okay, so I finished sewing the side part, and it looks pretty good so far. It's fine. It's like starting to come together. So now I'm gonna turn them inside out so I can add my elastic band. So they're flipped inside out now. I'm gonna flip them. I'm gonna flip the part that I want my elastic to go like this. and then I'm gonna pin around and then sew that. Okay. Alright, so I didn't film like me putting the waistband and stuff on there, but I'm about to just prop the camera there because y'all, hold on, just hold on. Y'all, bitch, I made pads, like what? Look at that. Girl, but I ain't never made a whole like article of clothing that I can wear. And like, let me zoom down. Can you see the, so like, can you see my, so I wanted them to be a little baggy, but I probably didn't add enough fabric at the bottom for them to be baggy. But I mean, it's baggy enough. Once I put shoes on, it'll like, you know what I'm saying, it'll come up. Like, okay, so I'm gonna be real with y'all because I don't want to be fake and not show y'all the real. So there was one part of the pants that I messed up at, and it's so embarrassing. I really don't want to show y'all, but I can't just front like I just did it perfectly. Like, it's gonna be some errors. Problem is right here, not my stomach, but a little below. Now look y'all, I don't think I added enough fabric in the crotch area, so it's a little tight right there, and it gave me a camel toe. I'm so embarrassed, but it gave me a camel toe, and I'm gonna show y'all just real quick because, okay, y'all ready?
What is
okay,
that?
That's all y'all gonna see. But yeah, so that's the only issue that I had. But I like the way that they turned out. Like, I like the way that they turned out. Like, they gave me a nice little shape. The back looks good. They're long enough. The fringe look good and everything. And it just came out really well. Except for the, you know what I'm saying, the cooch. But that's a lesson learned. It just, oh my, it just came out so well. I can't wait to take this. I can't wait to take a picture. Like, I feel like a little fashion designer. Ooh, Louis Vuitton called me because I might just start sewing some clothes. That might be a new hustle. You feel me? Yeah, so thanks for watching my video. Like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe. If you like these pants and if you like me, subscribe, because look, I quit my job. Ever since I quit my job, I've been like in the mindset like I'm gonna do YouTube. I'm gonna start posting way more often. So if you like me, go ahead and subscribe because more content is coming. I'm gonna be coming with it more often this time. If you want vlogs, I can do vlogs. If you want pranks, I'll do a few pranks here and there. If y'all want try on hauls, I'll do that. If you want playlist videos, I'll do that. Just let me know. I need y'all to tell me what y'all want. So if you're watching this right now, because I know you're watching it right now, go ahead and comment ideas that you want me to do, and I will do my best to do them. So yeah, once again, like, comment, subscribe. It's your girl Kylie. We out.